WWE Wrestlemania 36 match card and result. Drew Gulak versus Cesaro. The winner of this match was Cesaro. The Kabuki Warriors versus Alexa Bliss and Nikki Cross for the Women's Tag Team Champions.
Who is your best friend?
And the new Women's Tag Team Champions, Alexa Bliss and Elias versus King Corbin. The winner of this match was Elias. Becky Lynch versus Shayna Baszler for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the Raw Women's Champion, was Becky Lynch. Sami Zayn versus Daniel Bryan for the Intercontinental Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the Intercontinental Champion, Sami Zayn. Jimmy Uso representing the Usos. John Morrison representing Miz and Morrison, and Kofi Kingston representing the New Day for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winner of this match, retaining the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, John Morrison and The Miz. Kevin Owens versus Seth Rollins. The winner of this match was Kevin Owens. Goldberg versus Braun Strowman for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match is the new Universal Champion, Braun Strowman. The Undertaker versus AJ Styles. The winner of this match was The Undertaker. Natalya versus Liv Morgan. The winner of this match was Liv Morgan. Rhea Ripley versus Charlotte Flair for the NXT Women's Champion. The winner of this match and the new NXT Women's Champion, Charlotte Flair. Aleister Black versus Bobby Lashley with Lana. The winner of this match was Aleister Black. Otis versus Dolph Ziggler with Mandy Rose. The winner of this match was Otis. Edge versus Randy Orton. The winner of this match was Edge. The Street Profits versus Austin Theory and Angel Garza with Selena Vega. The winner of this match, retaining the Raw Tag Team Champions, the Street Profits. Lacey Evans versus Sasha Banks versus Bayley versus Tamina versus Naomi for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the SmackDown Women's Champion, was Bayley. John Cena versus The Fiend Bray Wyatt. The winner of this match was The Fiend Bray Wyatt. Brock Lesnar versus Drew McIntyre for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match is the new WWE Champion, Drew McIntyre. That's all for WrestleMania 36, Day 1 and Day 2. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.